Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To remove this trim, we'll start by removing these two push clips by the door latch. Use a small flat-bladed screwdriver, pop them up. Pull out the center to unlock them, and then we'll pry up in this. Pull all the way out. Do the same for both. To remove this handle, the plastic is actually separated. There's a seam here. Use these plastic prying tools. You can get these from AWD.com. I'll start on one side, get started, get towards the middle here, pry down on it. With a good sharp pull it right out. There are two 7mm screws on either side that need to be removed. Use a 7mm socket and a driver handle and remove them. I'm gonna hold on to this handle so it doesn't fall. There we go. Before you can remove the lower section of trim, the upper section of trim needs to come off. You have to remove the little lifting arm. Take a flat-bladed screwdriver, kind of pull the lock out, pop it off the ball joint here. Get that out of the way. I'll start over here, disconnect it. It's got snap clips or metal clips that clip into the body. Just kind of pull it down and out. Just kind of go along and do the same thing. Pull it right out. The rest of the panel is held on with clips. Pull down on it, separate it. Lower the plastic trim. You might take some force to pull it off the clips. If the plastic clips holding these electrical connectors break, it's not a big deal. Just unplug the electrical connectors. You can then lower the panel some more and then slide it off the front and take it out of the vehicle. Replace the bulb. Turn the socket counterclockwise. Pull it out. It is a 912 bulb. Pull it straight out of the socket. Put it back in to replace it. Put it into the opening. Turn it clockwise to lock it. And get this up. There's a lip here, and along this edge, it's going to meet into these metal clips here and here. And then we're going to push it up and it'll clip into place. But before we do that, we have to plug in these. Kind of lift it in place. Reach up, we'll plug in the courtesy lights. And this is for the electric hatch. If it's broken, don't worry about it. This will just slide up in place. Carefully you don't press this button because the door will want to come down and it's not connected to the lift arm there. Get this up in place. It's a little bit awkward because you're working up above your head. Can I get it in place? To get those caught, you can push this in back into the clips. Install the upper trim. It's got an opening here. It's going to go over the little mount for the lift arm. It also has these metal push clips along the edge. An alignment tab here that will go into here. And clips over here that are going to clip through this darker trim. That lined up. I'm going to start on this side. Clip it in, and work this around. I'll get this side lined up. Get this alignment pin pushed into place. And it'll just push into place. This should clip right back on. Locked in place. And push the handle up into place. And carefully guide this long self-tapping screw up there. Get it started. Tighten it up. Same for the other one. Push this trim back in place. Start it over here, line up those 3 openings there. Just push it right up. Plastic push clips, the base is in. Push the center part in. Same for both of them.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.